This year we are going to bring back a tool that we have used in the past called a shelf marker. You will find shelf markers in this bucket, and I'll pass them out to you as we leave the carpet from our lessons. But the purpose of a shelf marker is so that while you're at the shelf and you're looking through the books that are on the shelf and you find one that you are interested in, you can put your shelf marker onto the shelf where the book is. You can take the book off so that you can look inside. And then if you decide that this is not the book for you, you know exactly where to put the book back because the shelf marker is on the shelf. So you put the pages in first, and then you take the shelf marker off, and then you continue looking for your books. So once you have all of your books, your shelf marker will go with you up to the green counter, and there will be a bucket up there for you to return your shelf marker